Hello and welcome to my channel, Sky Pilot here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If not, you will know that I've recently done a couple of reviews of some really decent chargers that are now my daily drivers for all of my many different types of batteries that I have. These are from my really good friends at GT.POWER. Check them out, guys. I will leave a link down below. GT.POWER are responsible for producing many different types of chargers, both home-based and both out in the field-based, so super portable or super efficient at home. These are a couple here that I've recently reviewed, a 200 and a 400 watt. Check them out, they'll be in a link in the description below. Well worth having a look at. If you're in Australia like myself, Hobbies Direct, which is going to be a link down below as well, is the place to get all this gear from. So they certainly have something to cater for everybody, both small portable units for taking hiking to fully setting up in your workshop. And what I love about the GT.POWERs is, compared to your normal conventional IMAX charger, you are able to charge 4 different LiPos or LiIons or whatever at the same time, which saves a heck of a lot of time and is super efficient. But today, yep, we are going to do a review of another cool little, this is a mains power based charger. It's the SD4-I. This is more of a budget charger for you guys who are just starting out. I know it's a bit daunting. You don't want to go out and buy a $150, $200 charger. You just want something that's going to charge up, you know, your 4S or your 3S or whatever. This caters for 2 to 4S LiPos, LiV or LiHV. It also caters for your 4 to 8S nickel metal hydride and nickel cadmium batteries, which is pretty cool. So let's crack open this awesome little budget charger and see what you get in the package. And we're going to run a charge through it. I'll charge up my 1300 4S and show you guys how it works and how simple and easy it is to use. And if we're looking at prices off the top of my head, it's around the $45 Australian mark, so super budget. And if you're starting out in the FPV hobby and you want to keep your costs down, then this is the charger for you. Open her up, we have our mains power cable. We have a DIN connector here. We have a very simple and easy to read single page instruction manual. There's nothing hard about this at all, guys, which is really neat. And we have the unit itself. And for everybody who loves knowing how much things weigh, this weighs in at 171 grams. You can see we have GT.POWER SD4 LED display on the front there. Warning, please check the battery type before charge. And we simply have 2 buttons here which make up the running of this unit. As I said, guys, super easy. Your battery type and your current, and there's a little status LED light at the front there. So on the side we have our 2 to 4, 4 to 8 balancing connectors, and up front here we have our 2 ports for our 2 jacks. If you do have a XT60, XT30 connector, guys, you will need to purchase separately your DIN converter plug. These are only a couple of dollars. It's good to have them lying around if you are getting into the hobby. And also, while you're there, grab yourself an XT60 to XT30 converter too, really handy to have. Let's put it together and let's do a charge. So we simply push our jacks in, connect up our male and female DIN. Of course, your batteries may actually have the DIN connectors on, but if you're in the FPV game, you'll probably find that most of the batteries are XT60 and 30, but we'll just put our converter cable on, connect the XT60 find your appropriate balance board type, and simply connect up your mains power. So what will happen is you are presented with a nice little blue LED here. It has a number 1, 2 and 3 for the 3 different balance boards. So this one is obviously number 1, and it will tell you 99% charged. Simply press the battery type on the left here. If you do wish to charge a LiHV or nickel metal hydride, etc., then it's simply a matter of, once the unit is freestanding with nothing attached, you long press the left button and it scrolls through your LiPos and your LiHVs and your LiHVs, etc. Press the current that you're after. So this is a 1300 milliamp, so we're going to charge this at, we'll do a slow charge at 1 amp. So what happens now is the LED indicator lights up red for charging, and then it slowly turns to blue, and this battery is nearly fully charged. So there you go, it's actually fully charged now. The LED will show blue, and that means our number 1 is 100% charged, and we are good to go. So we'll plug in another battery. This is the time I have a little mini star here, 854S. Let's plug him in. There's nothing to press, guys. It automatically recognizes the balance board and starts charging very shortly. That should change to a blue, and we are good to go, guys. And just like that, fully charged. There you have it, guys. Super compact, super easy to use. I've charged a few batteries up with this now. It doesn't run hot at all. There's some nice cooling vents on the tops and sides here. Really nicely constructed. If you're looking for a charging solution that won't blow your budget, then this is the one for you guys. So check out that link below. GT.POWER SD4 Smart Charger by GT.POWER. Smashing that thumbs up. Drop me a comment. Be really good to see you. Lots more coming up from GT.POWER, guys, including, you probably saw in the background, the brand new C60 Pro. This is the 300 watt powerhouse that also allows you to control it with an app on your phone. Really, really nice. Really looking forward to reviewing this. Smash on that bell. Don't miss out on that. Plus, lots more to come as well. Stay tuned. Good to see you. I'm going to continue charging my kit up. I'll see you guys again real soon. Take it easy. Bye for now.